In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your Jotform. Let's dive right in and ensure you know all the different ways to distribute your form effectively. First, you'll need to head over to jotform.com and sign in using your credentials. This is your main hub where you'll access all your forms. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself in your workspace. Here you can see all the forms you've created. Click on the specific form you want to share. This will open up the form details page, giving you various options to manage and share your form. Next, you'll want to click on the Edit Form button. This takes you into the Jotform form builder, where we can configure all the necessary settings for sharing your form. Now take a look at the top of your page. You'll see an orange navigation bar. Click on the Publish tab located here. The Publish tab is where all your sharing options are gathered. Let's explore these sharing options one by one. First up is the form link. This is the simplest way to share your form. Just copy the form's URL and paste it into any external messaging or email application. It's a direct link that anyone can use to access your form instantly. The next option is invite by email. This feature allows you to send a personalized email invitation to your recipients. All you need to do is enter their email addresses and craft your message. This method is perfect for targeting specific people or groups directly from Jotform. If you want to maximize visibility, consider using the Share Form feature. This option lets you share your form via social media platforms like Twitter and Facebook. Additionally, you can download a QR code. This is particularly useful for offline sharing, where people can scan the code and access your form straight from their mobile devices. Finally, there's the Embed option. This is an excellent choice if you want to integrate your form directly into your website. Under this option, you'll find the Embed code. Simply copy this code and paste it into your website builder. It's a seamless way to incorporate forms into your site, allowing users to fill them out without navigating away from your page. These are the primary ways to share your Jotform, each tailored for different audiences and scenarios. With these options, you can ensure your form reaches your intended recipients, whether through a simple link, a targeted email, a social media post, or even a QR code. Explore each method to find what best suits your needs and get your form out there. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide has been helpful.